this dog was bearing a tortilla. Holly, what is your reaction to this? Mom!
No.
Holly, hold the iPhone! Hold the iPhone! Okay. Come on.
I'm gonna carry him like a baby inside. No.
It's tortilla!
No.
It's tortilla.
Get back here, burrito. Burrito.
Come here. I'm not filming.
You are coming in with me. Mom, open the door.
What?
You cannot leave him.
It didn't do anything?
I need something sharp.
Did you see this dog fighting his leg?
It's because she wasn't out here.
His leg.
But, like, it was playing.
Yeah, but it got too rough. They were running around like.
Psychotic. Don't make him excited. Hi.
Wait, I'm gonna call him Bob Thunder.
Call him Rex.
Rex, because he's like a T-Rex. Come here,
What?
Rex. Come here, Rex.
What?
Hi, I'm Mom. How did the dog get under the fence?
He crawled. We stopped digging. Why Taco?
Oh, come on.
It's weird.
Taco and burrito?
No, Rex. What do you want to name him?
Taco. He wants to be named Taco.
How are we going to feed them, Pumpkin? They got under the fence.
Yes, and they will get back.
Okay.
You shall get back.
I gotta run away.
Bushy dog's getting in your whatever.
In my what?
No. Get him out of there, Holly. Holly, stop. Let him get out of there.
This is yours or something.
Throw it away. Over here. Don't let the dog get in it. Come on, Butchie dog.
Oh, it smells horrible. That is
Yeah, leave it
definitely
up
yours.
there.
That is definitely your food. What? Get over here. Come here, Butchie. Come here, Butchie dog.
Get the camera. Hey! Wow!
That dog is strong.
Look at this dog. He's super fast. Come on, dog. Come on, you little dog. Come on. Whoa. There's cute little doggy. He is so cute. Now, I must do this one little thing. Hey. Hey. Over here. Oh, that was not good. Come on. Look at this dog. He's so cute. Hey, Mom.
Do you think it's a chihuahua or do you think it's a mix?
It's a chihuahua.
They should both be out here,
Yeah.
Holly, but just separate them.
No, they'll be fine. They live together. Come on, chihuahua baby.
No.
No!
Come on.
Don't worry, he's gonna
big
come back outside. And he did. Hey, come here, little doggy. I call him Burrito. My sister calls him Burrito.
They're buddies.
Whoa! Doggy! Doggy caught on film! And big doggy! He's so cute! Bye.